The Volvo S80 key fob from 2007 to 2016 can be tricky to open due to adhesive or ultrasonic welding. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a plastic pry tool, and optionally a hairdryer. First, gently insert the pry tool into the seam between the two halves of the fob. If it's stuck, apply heat from a hairdryer for 1 to 2 minutes to soften the adhesive. Warming to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius can help. Work your way around the case slowly, avoiding excessive force to prevent cracking. Avoid metal tools when possible to prevent scratches. Be sure to wear gloves to avoid transferring oils. Cracked cases can void warranty and require full fob replacement. Start by removing the old CR2032 battery, making sure to note the orientation with the positive side up. Replace it with a new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. If the remote doesn't work, check for misalignment of the internal circuit board and ensure the rubber keypad is correctly aligned. Reprogram the fob by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds to resync with the vehicle. Clean any corroded contacts using isopropyl alcohol or compressed air to ensure proper connection. If problems continue, check for water damage. DIY replacement saves $30 to $50 compared to dealership service, while new fobs cost $100 to $200.